This is the Dream Sounds ImpotantMink Anything Looks Great video jam. A while ago, we tasked the talented musicians of Dreams of raiding the vault of Mink and coming up with these tunes here. Now we have asked the audiovisual makers of Dreams to make videos for some of these tracks, and I'm super excited to check them out. We'll just dive straight into the submissions for the evening. And first up, we have First Town from Tricobalt. This features music from Catastrophe YouTube, and as it says here, every story starts somewhere. This one starts in a town called Salvage. And Tricobalt, thank you for entering the jam. Super excited to check this out. Here we go. Whoa, just incredible. As always, such amazing storytelling just through the visuals. Amazing camera work, amazing animations, amazing environments. I mean, the whole thing is just fantastic. As always, from Tricobalt, that is incredible. And thank you for entering the jam. First time, music from Catastrophe YouTube. Incredible. I know, and you know, as we'll be seeing more of that in the future, right? It's amazing. Just mind blown, as always. Completely mind blown. Incredible. And we now move on to a submission from Afroman For Peace, and this is a 2-hour speed build created for the jam. The music is by ImpotantMink originally, then remixed by Pixel now, and this is Cause of Distress. And Afroman For Peace, thank you for entering the jam. Super excited to check this out. 2-hour speed builds are like really cool and interesting, and thank you for entering the jam. Here we go. Amazing, and with the imp reveal at the end as well. And I feel like that's an appropriate imp to have there too, hiding away in like the Smuggler's Cove. Absolutely incredible Afroman for Peace to put all of that together in 2 hours with the camera pans and the environment, the lighting, everything. It's incredible. Wonderful music there, used really well. It suits the scene perfect, and it definitely conjures up images of seafarers. Amazing stuff. Thank you for entering the jam. It's really cool. Now, just before we do move on to a vote for the next jam, I'm just going to quickly check my notifications, and also I think I'm going to play a couple more like music videos which have been entries to previous jams. We came here to see some amazing music videos, and we have done. But let's just watch a few more before we move on to the vote for the next jam. Here we go. Let's go for it. This is another new one, came out earlier this week. It was not made for the jam, but it did only come out this week, and it heavily involves, all of what we do here. It's possibly one of the darkest sort of MMC related videos that there's been, but it's cool. Let's go. It's incredible, isn't it? And that was a surprise to me because that's not a jam entry or anything. That just came out this week, and it's amazing. It's great to see stuff like that happen. It's really cool. Let's just have a bit of Noisy Wizards.
How can I deal with all my failures? How can I move with all this pain? I used to think the world held magic. Oh, with spells and runes in the arcade. But as I look out at the skyline, with buildings as far as can see, why do I feel trapped in the shadows? Why do I not want to be me? It's here that I live as an outcast. I've been here since I was 3. My parents didn't love me. It made me eventually flee. So now I'm stuck in the mud like a duck with my luck. Yeah, I suck. Go ahead and throw me in the dump truck. It makes me realize I have no allies. Will nobody hear my cries? I hope I dematerialize. No one's gonna care about my demise. Oh, where is all the magic? Oh, a spell that cure my pain. Should I just go ahead and end it? Oh, should I slowly go insane? But then she came, her hand stretched towards mine, and she said, come with me. I know a place where you can be. We're called the Wizards. I saw the magic in her eyes. I took her hand, and now I realize I found a place where I am free. I'm sure they cast a spell on me. I can't believe that there is still magic among them. I feel so secure. I think I finally found a cure. Because of them, my life is not so tragic. Oh, I never thought I'd find a place to belong. Oh, I never thought that I would find a new song. But here we are, casting magic as wizards. Oh, I never thought I would be free. But here we are, casting magic as wizards. You taught me magic. I'm one of them, and I've learned to love again.
It's really cool, right? Source material from Venwave and MC Noisy, then given a remix from Orange Pixel Juice and Neep, and then given a video from Tricobalt. Amazing stuff. I'm just going to play one quick more one. Here we go, before we move on to the vote for the next jam. And it's been a while since we played this, and this is lovely.
察と意欲する女が本を取り戻すのはこうした聖域の宗教によるのか女が付属品をだんだん捨てるとどうしてこんなに綺麗になるのかどうして払われたあなたの体は無限罪を飛ぶ天の金属天の金属あなたが黙ってた敵人誠に神の作りし者だ時々内心驚くほどあなたはだんだん綺麗になる捨てるとどうしてこんなに綺麗になるのかどうして払われたあなたの体は無限罪を飛ぶ天の金属天の金属
Yeah, it's pretty amazing, right? Now, I believe that we have a submission from Chic. Super excited to go and check that out. Add it to the jam as well. Here we go. Okay. I love the preview. The cover preview is rather quite deceptive. Let's dive into this, Chic. This is super exciting. This is a remix of Oh My Trappin' G from King of Dragons 125. Mink, thank you for entering the video jam. Mink, Chic, thank you for entering the Mink video jam. Excited to check this out. And then after this, we'll just move on to the vote for the next one. Here we go.
Life privacy, 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 privacy.
Amazing. Like the visuals really pop with the beat and stuff, and they're really quite festive. They make me think of baubles a bit, like you might get on a Christmas tree and stuff. And I'm thinking, like, yeah, the song's a lot more festive than I remember it being, but it works. It's perfect. We do obviously have like Christmas and that coming up soon, and that's awesome. And like, yeah, I can now also imagine like Ali and Asley just flipping loads of G's out onto the streets listening to that one. Amazing, incredible, and thank you Frank on the video jam. Really works. It's perfect. I'm gonna be sticking that on again, and it's exciting to hear Ninja Mike done a freestyle over it as well. I wasn't aware of that one, so I'll have to go and check that out. I enjoy the Ninja Mike freestyles. I'm just rarely there to catch them live, but anyway, that's amazing, She. That's amazing. Let's move on to the vote for the next jam, right? Because once we have the vote and we've decided what we're going to do, I'm going to play some tracks from that to maybe give some ideas as well. So here we go. Let's do it. Let's dive in.